Welcome back. We are covering number 13 of 20 tips to get you started with Microsoft OneNote for Mac. Hopefully this is helping you to check out OneNote if you haven't, if you've been typically taking notes on, on actual paper or in Word or something like that. I think that this is a much more effective tool for you to organize your notes and yourself. It's searchable, and I think it's a really great tool. So if you haven't considered it, I hope you are, and I hope this is going to help you. And again, check out the other videos as well. There's, again, 20 tips here that you can go back and view, and the playlist will be linked in the description of this video below. But before we get started, do me a favor, click the thumbs up, click the, which is the like button, click the subscribe button, and then also click the alert button. Greatly appreciate it and appreciate you checking in here today. And again, this is number 13, share or save a page as a PDF. And the reason you might want to do this is that, especially if you're sending out notes and there's multiple vendors, if you send it as a PDF, people can't change it. If you send it as a Word document, people have the ability to edit it. And sometimes, you know, if it's highly sensitive or it needs to be really well documented, or you're in an industry that has a lot of compliance and things like that, and you might have to save it as a PDF. This is going to walk you through how to do that, but that's the main reason why. Plus, it saves its formatting as well, which is another nice thing about a PDF. So we're going to jump over to OneNote here. And again, you want to click on whatever page you want to save to as a PDF, right? And so the last video, we kind of talked about changing the fonts here, which is why you're seeing what you're seeing in the view here, and it doesn't matter. So a couple of things, right? And my default mailbox is a Gmail account, so it's not. I don't use Outlook anymore. I just use the web browser for my Gmail account. So when I click on this to actually share this, it'll pull it up. But what would happen is if you're in a work environment, or if you have Outlook or whatever, you know, you can choose there, it will pop up the default mail browser or mail client that you have, and it will automatically insert it there. So let's just walk through this and kind of show you what to do. So you want to, again, make sure you click on the whatever page you want to, you know, export, and we're going to go down to, actually it's not here. We're going to go up to share. You're going to go up to file, then share. But again, make sure, I'm going to start over here. You're going to click on the actual page that you want. Then you're going to go up to file and then share. And then the first one we're going to do is just send page as PDF, not save as PDF, but send page, and watch what happens. So if you have Outlook or something else, you see it's processing page 2 there. Oops, it didn't click over. I'm going to do it again just to see. Okay. Didn't pop up. I'm going to go up to file, share, just email message, and it is not popping up for some reason. So, oh, there it is. Sorry, I'm going to go back down. It's here. I just clicked off of it. Okay, so here you go. Whatever your default, I could, if I'm using this, I could, if I use you know, a OneNote on the actual this computer, which I don't use it on. I typically just use it for work. You can see, you can pick whatever. I mean, you have Google and whatever, but so I'm not going to do it. But you see that this is, you know, whatever the default is, which is Microsoft Exchange. But I'm not going to do it. So then, like I said, it'll pop open, you know, a new email for you, and it'll have it as an attachment. So I'm just going to quit, but you get the idea in terms of what that would look like. Okay. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to go up and actually save it out as a PDF file, which you then can, whatever your default email client is, you can then attach it that way. So let's go up to file. Again, make sure you click on the right page that you want. We're going to do the 3 p.m. meeting here, and go up to file, and then we're going to go save as PDF, right? And you'll see that load up here in a second. In a second, anytime now, okay? And then what'll happen is that typically when my time machine goes off in the background too, it'll slow things down a little bit while things are loading up. But it'll pop up here in a second, basically, and you'll be able to save it out as whatever meeting you want to, and save it to whatever folder you want to, and there we go. So, you know, you can see it. I can save it in my documents. It'll have the title there, and then you can click save. I'm not going to save it. You guys should know how to navigate within your folder structure that you have on your computer, but I'm going to run through it one more time for you again, since it took so long to pop up there, right? Going to go over to save as PDF, click file first, save as PDF, and there you go. Popped up pretty quick there, right? And so again, title it whatever you want to, save it wherever you want to, you know, however that looks for you. and then you should be able to load it into your, if you want to have a thumb drive, or if you have a shared network drive you want to save it to, it should be there for you. So that's going to do it for this video. Again, do me a favor, click the thumbs up, click the which is the like button, click the subscribe button, and click the alert button, and we'll talk to you at the next video.